today we're going to be talking about sun cream. You must put sun cream on every day to protect wrinkles, skin cancer, and
sun damage.
Sun damage.
And what should sun creams have?
It should have UVA and UVB.
Protection, that's right. And how do we look for that?
We look on the back.
Yeah. Can you show
And
me?
on this one, you can see here it's only got UVA.
Move your finger, we can't see it.
UVA.
Oh yes, the little circle.
Yes, still so.
Okay, so what should we be looking for? UVA and UVB.
Yeah, but we've only got UVA on this one.
Yeah. And how many stars is it good to have?
4, but this one has only got 3. And this one is this is one especially for your body. And you have to shake it because it shows a picture of you shaking it. I'll just show you. Is that? It makes fine sound. And it also has a picture of a 30. And this is a 32. You just can't see it on the back. It has little words, but I can't read it.
So what does that little one do? Where do we put that?
On our face.
Okay, so is 30 a good SPF to use?
Yeah, especially if you're in this country. If you're on holiday, I've got a picture of holiday there. And then you will have to use a 50. So 30 and 50.
Okay, that's good. And how much sun cream should we be using?
Well, not too much. Just the amount as you
So we need to make sure we put enough on, don't we? Because the mistake people make sometimes is they don't use enough sun cream. And then you don't get the full SPF factor that the product has. So we can put that, where should we put that in this country? On our face, on our
neck, back of our hand, and maybe if your arms are out, you put them on your arms, like mine are, so I'll probably put them on my arms.
And then you pop it on your face and your neck. Lovely. Perfect.
I'm running out.
That's because you rubbed it all in your hands. See, that's another mistake you shouldn't do. When you put your sun cream on, don't rub it too much between your hands because your hands take it all away, don't they? Because hands are always dry. That's it. Now rub it on the back of your hands before you overuse it. Okay. Right, so happy protecting.
Happy protecting. Thank you.